Good morning. Friday morning. Look what you eating. Say I ate leftover spaghetti, and now I'm eating some yogurt. Some strawberry yogurt. Yes. And then I wanted to show you really quick. See, hopefully you can see it. Can you see that? The train right there. And that's Chewbacca and Nikki. Chewbacca and Nikki. And Miss Luna that wants to. Hi. We are waiting for a packet to arrive. They said it was going to get here at 12, and it's 12:30, and there's no packet. And I keep on looking at the peephole because I'm afraid that they can't see the hold on a second. They can't see the doorbell because I have it covered. Look, let me show you. Let me open the door. Hold on. It like what is that? The packet that I'm waiting for. I was gonna show you that maybe they couldn't see it because I put my witch here. Look at the doorbell is like right behind it, so they don't see it. I had hang it up here, but it kept on falling, and that's what I was going to say. There we go. Jesus, I wonder if it was there since 12, and I'm waiting for them to ring the bell, and then they didn't. What did you brought today?
It looks like a candy apple with caramel.
It looks like a candy apple. It is a candied apple, a caramel apple. And this one's plain. It says plain. It just has caramel. And this one has coconut. It says caramel apple gourmet. It looks like it has pecans, little tiny chocolate chips, and shaved coconut. I wanted one of them sprinkle ones that look like Halloween, but he didn't bring those. He brought 3. 2 of the plain, just the caramel that he's giving to Luna, and then 1, which is the gourmet. I'm thinking this is for me, right?
No, why?
He got them at Safeway. The gourmet is $3.99, and just the caramel is $3. I don't get. I asked for caramel one time at a store. I don't know how. I don't really care how it's pronounced. I said caramel, and then he said it's caramel. It's not freaking caramel. It's caramel.
All that caramel.
It's caramel. It's caramel. It's caramel. It's caramel. Oh, you're looking for Carmel? No, I'm looking. It sounds like Carmen from South Park. No, it's Caramel. Caramel. Anywho, just wanted to touch up on that. We barely ate dinner. And look at his fashion. High top, low top. High top, low top. Bye.
Too early.
Oh, that scared me. It's not even early, it's almost midday.
It's just 12.
We're going to eat breakfast and dinner, or not dinner, lunch. Breakfast and lunch at the IHOP restaurant.
There's somebody fashion in there.
Oh, poor chair. Okay, de lunes out. Home Depot. So windy. Look at that Luna's hair. Look at that. What you say?
Come on. Never mind.
I see your muscle. Is that what it is? Is that what it is? You see, I move towards him and then he moves away. What's up with that? I can grab him and squish him. Look at. He's going to put those back where he took him there to put them here to see if they were nice, and then he's putting it back because he's not a what?
I'm not an asshole.
There.
I don't like making mess.
You should look at his closet.
That's why I have my watch.
Well, not that it's okay. It's very windy today, I got to tell you. Very windy. There's ghost cats running around on the stove. Ghost cats. Wannabe muscle. Luna, is that your dad? Luna, is that your dad? Hi. Maybe so, maybe not. Look how tiny his eyes are. It's just like a line. Luna's having the time of her life. Luna, look. Look where you're at. Look, let's go to the windy side so they see your hair. It's so much wind. Yes.
Anything that rain is starting to be washed the longest.
Fancy.
Sexy. It doesn't say water resistant, it's water repellent. It still gets wet, right?
Probably. Disgusting. Look what we got from
the Costco. The cup of noodles. This has 24 pack. I want to try that. We usually get the Maruchan one, but they don't have that, I don't think. Then we got this Nutri-Grain, apple, blueberry, and strawberry thingies, bars. We got the Sizzlet grapes, and then we got the almond rocka packet. This was 12 or 9, something like that. And it says that they have other flavors, but I didn't see these boxes there. And then I got my roasted seasoned seaweed winter harvest. It has 10 packets. Somebody doesn't want to wait. And then got some Trident. These are the mango, kiwi, and orange, and the mint. Then we got this ultimate gel seat cushion for his work truck. He's trying the seaweed.
They have a lot of fishy taste, but they're good.
Well, hello,
It
there's
tastes like
seaweed,
those,
honey.
There's the trail mix that come with nuts and other stuff.
Trail mix?
Trail mix, but the green ones.
With the pumpkin cheese or what? That's good?
Delicious.
I like seaweed. Then, we got...
Primes, but for seaweed.
Wow. And then we got this Mott's gummy fruits. And then we got the Huggies Wipies. I like them from there because it has big packets instead of buying little ones. And then we got the Venom. And then we got the pizza. Fresh baked pizza. Yum. And then I got myself a very berry sundae. It's been raining today. Look at the train. I took the dogs out so they go poop and pee. Woo! Silly dogs. Somebody gets mad. Look at Nikki gets all scared because of Memo. You're so mean.
A dog.
You're a mean dog daddy. Where are they? Oh look, they're running over there. I see you. Look at Nikki. Look at Nikki how she's scared. Yep, that's what we got. We went to eat pozole with my sister. Then we went to the Costco. It's been raining since yesterday, all day, every day. Look, he can't wait. He's just like a kid, and he's 33.
34. No, I don't even know.
How old are you? 31?
No.
You're opening it on the wrong side. He says that they're delicious. They're good, but I cannot eat as many as he eats at a time. They're like taffy, like hard taffy. You probably already know. They're like hard taffy with a nut.
Almond, not a nut.
Well, whatever. Yeah, that's our Sunday today.